So what I got, I'm gonna remove the brake booster right now too, so I can clear up that wall so we can get all that sanded down and primered and ready for our, I think we're gonna use port 15 or we're gonna paint it the same color. We still haven't decided. Hey, why don't you tell us? So we got 4 14mm nuts like this that are holding the brake booster. They're also holding the column, but the column also has 2 bolts up here, one coming through the side right here and across. So we're gonna leave all that in there. I'm really not too crazy about pulling it out right now. We'll address it when we go to put our liner or in our floor dampener. We're gonna go ahead and take it off completely, and then again give it the MCSG steering wheel treatment. Hey, I made that up. There's a pin right inside of here that we can pull. Let me see if I can locate it. Underneath there and see. Can't do it blind, I guess. Let's see what I see. All right. Yeah, just like I thought. There's a pin. So this is your brake right here, and right in here, right at the very top of it right here, there's a pin right there. So once we pull this guy out, it'll let go of the plunger to the brake booster. One more nut to go and that comes out. This guy's gonna be sitting around here flopping, but that's not a big deal. We're gonna address this later, because when we pull off the steering shaft along with the steering housing here, it's all gonna come together, and we're gonna go ahead and paint those up and make them look good. We're gonna reuse those at least. Oh. Maybe I should have brought some pliers. That's what it looks like. So all you'll have to do is kind of just move everything over. You have the brake sensor right here. There's a little washer. You can probably see it. Oops. There we go. And then we're going to pull out the sensor. Folleh, right through here. So, you know, the sensor's right here. There's your sensor. We're not gonna worry about it. We're just gonna move it out the way, and there it went. Along with that, we're gonna move the sensor. See? Sensor's off to the side. This guy right here is our plunger. So now we can go ahead and remove that last nut, and our booster should be just able to fly out. Let's do that. It's our brake sensor. So the brake booster leg sits in between it, slides into it. Your brake pedal is the one that has the tension. This guy just goes in the back. Hey, that bushing goes inside the arm to the booster. So we're not gonna be needing any of this right now. So let's take that last nut. Now remember, removing the booster has the bolts. The bolts hold the steering. So the only thing holding the steering will be these bolts up here, these down here, and the ones that run over to the frames. There it is. I'm gonna give these guys a little bit of a tighten so they don't flop around on me, and I don't want the steering wheel to completely fall off. Pretty much loose, and it is.
Just jam that back there.
Well, this is what brake fluid does to your paint if you split it on your car. So it actually makes it curl off. That's why. That looks the way it does. Yep, there it goes. Alright. One baby booster. Done. Woo!
Look at that. Look at the difference between here and there. Look, you see?
See this is what we're trying to fight against, people. Right here. So that's why we do what we do. All this stuff is gonna come off. We're gonna clean off this firewall real nice like. And you know, new seam sealer on here. And we should be good.
So would that rust be considered rust or just surface rust?
Rust is rust. Surface or pitting through, rust is rust. If it's the color of rust, if it's bubbles like rust, it's probably rust. And there you have it.